Hi, my name is Neb Jonas, General Manager at Porsche Tucson. I wanted to take a minute today and give you an update on our restoration challenge vehicle, our 1969 911E Targa. So it's been 7 months since this challenge has started, and currently our 911E is totally disassembled. The body shell is at our partners, Integrity Cars Restorations, where it's been sandblasted and sanded down and being prepped for paint. So the engine has been totally disassembled, every bolt and part inspected, cleaned, and is in the process of being rebuilt. The tires, suspension, stereo, carpet, all ready and waiting to be installed. So follow along on social media as we complete the restoration of our 1969 911E Targa.